Hello, we are Group 8 and we have made an app that detects melanomas. Our app is called Sherlock Moles. My name is Denne.
And my name is Caroline.
And I'm Sarah.
And I'm Michelle.
Cancer is the leading cause of death worldwide. Melanoma is a type of skin cancer developing in melanocytes, which are the cells that produce melanin and gives color to your skin. The largest risk factor is exposure to UV radiation from the sun or solariums, since every exposure results in changes in the structure of the cells. In Denmark, there are 2,200 new cases each year, and melanoma is not the most common type of skin cancer, but it is the deadliest type of skin cancer because it is the most likely to spread to other parts of the body via metastasis. Since it is the serious type of cancer, it is crucial to both detect melanomas and begin treatment as early as possible. If skin cancers are found early, over 95% of skin cancers cases can be successfully treated. A melanoma often develops in moles and can be characterized using the ABCDEs of melanomas. And here's an example of a malignant melanoma. Here we can see a flowchart representing the method used for this app. To begin with, we are importing the image as an RGB, and then we are converting it over to grayscale, where we remove the hair, as here. We enhance the contrast, and then we apply a median filter to remove some of the noise. Next, we do some segmentation, where we apply the Otto method, which is an adaptive thresholding of images. We inverse the method, and then we apply some morphological operations, such as opening and closing. And then at the end, we find the blob that represents the mole, and then we crop it out. And at last, we extract the features of the cropped out image, where we are looking at color, texture, and shape features, and we are calculating these parameters. And in the end, we apply a SVM classification to classify if it's malignant or not. Here we can see the performance of our classifier. We chose to use a cubic support vector machine as our classifier. We've trained on 120 images, and it resulted in an accuracy of the training data on 95%, as well as specificity of 90% and sensitivity of 97.5%, indicating a good performance. Here we have a login page for our app. And before we log into the main page, we just want to show that it is possible to create an account where you fill out the information and then click the account. But in this case, we already have an account. We also have the possibility to reset your password if you've forgotten it, where you send in your email address and then you get an email notification where you can press a link and log in that way. So let's just log in. So here we have the main page, which consists of a navigation bar with 3 views. We have statistics, home, as well as information. At the home view, we have the possibility to view About Us, reset the password, as well as log out. By clicking on About Us, you will see the people who has made this app, as well as when you click on Reset Password, you can enter a new password as well as confirm it, and then the changes happens. Going to the information page, you have the possibility to read about what melanomas are, as well as the different ways of classifying it using the ABCDE method. Going back to the main page, it is possible to take an image by clicking on this button. So by clicking on the camera button, it is possible to take an image of your mole. And then you have the possibility to retry and press OK. And it will pop up on this gallery view. When you've taken a picture, it pops up in the gallery view here, where you can see the different images. It is also possible to filter by body part, where we have a lot of opportunities here to filter it out. And then by going into the right arm, you can see that we have taken this picture here, where you can see the date, as well as a comment that you've added. It is possible for each image to analyze, and by doing so, a loading screen pops up, and then you get the results down here, as well as further information on the statistics page. So if we go back to the statistics page, you can see that it consists of more information, which could be useful for the doctor to